Good day, folks. I'm going to show you how to fix the error message that comes up on Messenger that says, waiting for this message, this might take a while. So as you can see here, I'm in Messenger, and if you've sent a message and it's giving you this error message, there are a few things you can do. The first thing you want to go ahead and do is jump over into the App Store, and you want to go and search for Messenger, and this is the easiest way to do so. Once you've searched for Messenger, you can go ahead and, as you can see here, it says Messenger, and then on the right hand side it says open. Now if you need to update the Messenger app, it will say update. So once you've updated it to the latest version, you can now go out of here. You can go back to your phone settings, and you're going to scroll down and you're going to look for apps. Once you are in apps, you're going to look for Messenger, and you are going to open the app, and you're going to go down and look for storage. Once you're here, you're going to go ahead and tap on clear cache at the bottom of the screen. Now if the problem persists, you can go ahead and tap on clear data, and this will delete everything on your Messenger, including your sign in or login details. So you'll have to sign in again. Once you've done this, you can go into your Messenger app again and find out if the problem is gone or if it persists. If it is still an issue, you can go ahead and remove Messenger from your device, restart your phone, and you can then download it again from the App Store, and this should now fix your problem. If this was helpful, please go ahead, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.